Good day, folks. Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday, the 9th of July. The markets today were initially dominated by the 65 billion euros worth of cuts outlined by the Spanish Prime Minister today. These were pretty much liked by the market, if not by the general public, where general unrest was seen in Madrid. But the market took the euro up to a session high of 122.96, and at the same time Spanish bond yields retreated from above 7% where they were earlier in the week down to around 6.5% today. The early enthusiasm though that was paired somewhat after the FOMC minutes, when the Fed outlined that they're open to further economic stimulus, but only if the US data continues to decline and to slow. So the euro saw it turned lower and saw another 2-year low today, reaching 122.12, and but it's bounced a little bit from there. It's currently at 122.35-40 area. But all in all, it's been a pretty much range-bound day, bookended by 122, 123. The pressure looks for the downside for the euro still, and it hasn't been an easy session, but some of the charts are showing a little bit of divergence. So any price action that we do see on the downside, I think it's going to be slow and quite choppy. The euro also lost ground against some of the other currencies today. Euro sterling continues to head lower. That went down to 78.70. Both Euro Aussie and Euro Kiwi both declined. Both the Aussie and the Kiwi had good sessions. The Euro Kiwi made an all-time low at 153.28, and Euro Aussie broke 120. It's been down to 119.35, and it's had a small bounce from there. So really, that's about it for the Euro. The Aussie has been up to 102.80. It's currently at 102.5, and of course, today we're waiting for the unemployment data, so I don't expect a great deal of action from then until then, rather. And direction after that will depend on what the data comes out with. But it looks pretty much as though we're expecting an unchanged to slightly lower reading, so that might put the pressure back on the Aussie a little bit. The Kiwi, that got up to just under 80 cents. It's currently trading at 79.70. And likewise, that'll probably be dragged around a little bit by movement in the Aussie-Kiwi cross once the unemployment data comes through. Elsewhere, dollar yen, that got down to 79.15. Sat on Fibo's report, bounced from there. It's currently at around 79.75, but that's stuck within its 79.10, 79.90 range of recent days. The Swissy, that kind of followed the euro. It got up to 98.30, but it's back at 98 a figure. And sterling's pretty much unchanged from yesterday, just above 155. So that's really about it today. As I say, the unemployment data in Australia will be the highlight, and then we've got the ECB Monthly Report later in the day. But that's really it. So if you do want a more comprehensive outlook, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, just please remember that any outlook here is a personal view only and is not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.